Miss Stephanie and I are going to show you a really cool move. Now, I've been doing this a long time, teaching here at Nick's a long time. This one's been a while, years since I've taught it. Not that I don't like it, it's just we have a lot of stuff. It's just a disclaimer. If you don't have somebody you dance with a lot, show it to them. We have a harder version, we have an easier version. We're going to do the harder version first, but there's an easier way to do it. It's going to mess her hair up.
But it's okay.
It's okay. How about that? On a sugar push to begin, very quick and easy, right to right. Switching right to right. Just want to get into it. You get into it any other way you wish, guys, but to begin with, right to right. Pull her forward on 1, 2, turn her to her left. Guys are going to come around the other side. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll go this direction, coming around, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I know you didn't really see that very well because it went too fast. So when you pull her forward on 1, 2, guys are coming around off the track to your left. 1, 2. As she's continuing to turn, 3, and behind her left arm, okay, with my left arm, and then come forward, bringing her onto her right foot on 4. So let's go a little bit faster on that. So we did a sugar push. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let me go front to back to show you where I am. I'm off the track. I get out of her way. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need to be clear for her for the next part, because the next part really is all about the move. It's loop. It's the fourth one in our repertoire. It's hard to do slow, but when you do well, you can do it fast. But it is hard to do slow, so bear with us. Here you go. 5 and 6. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12. That's your hair. My hair's fine. So, how do you do that? How do you lead it? So when you get to 4, pull her forward. So 1, 2. Pull her forward. Then with your left arm with hers, make her turn 5, 6. 5, 6. Guys, stay beside her because you've got to be near her for the next part. So going front to back. You're going to bring her forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. This arm, when you bring it over the head, you can let go of it. 5, 6. And this is where I'm going to switch hands. My left hand was grabbing the back of her left arm. This time, take your right, and you want it underneath her left arm because of the shoulder roll loop. So if we do a sugar push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, behind, straight up, 7 and 8. Come around and connect with her. She's on the left foot. Guys, no death grip, but you want it on her left bicep, no death grip. You got to bring her forward onto her left foot for the 8th count. So on a sugar push, 3 and 4. Guys, you're doing your footwork on the side of the track. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Just bring her forward from here. Triple. Guys, get back on the track. So she's really feeling that connection. The hardest part about that is obviously the loop. When you come forward, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 5, 6 right here. Push up, over the head, bring it down. That takes time. That's why we're recording. So we're doing a little bit slower here. So I'm going to kind of get out of the way. Bring her here, over the head, and then bring her forward. There we go. Okay, it's called a loop. It's pretty cool, but you got to practice that. Trust me. Here's the whole thing. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10, 11 and 12. Now, have you subscribed yet to our channel? She checks. She gets mad when our numbers don't go up, so please subscribe. It's free. New move every week. Now, if you don't want to do the loop, if you tell her, I got this cool loop, she's like, no. Easier way to do it. So on a sugar push. Same beginning. 5 and 6. You're going to go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. You just don't include the loop. So right to right. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Pick up her left, bring her forward. She'll like it. It won't mess her hair up, but it's still pretty cool. But the loop is really the whole thing. All right, so the last time, front to back. It's the 4th version of my looper series. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good connection, good follow. Makes it very cool. Thank you, Maggie.
You're welcome.
Hope you like it one, guys. It's been many years since I've taught it. Good to bring it back. Hope you use it, whether you social dance, compete, whatever you do. It's a great move. It'll take your dance to the next level. So until next time, have a great week. And as always,
keep dancing.